The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune to Channel 4 for more details.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Stanley Police Department. Residents of the city of Stanley, lock all of your doors immediately. The Stanley Police Department, as well as residents in the city, have reported that a large number of reindeer are attacking the city. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Do not go outside for any reason. Injuries as well as fatalities have occurred as a result of trying to apprehend the reindeer. If you see a reindeer coming towards you, do not make any sudden movements. During this roadside attack, the Stanley Police Department has been dispatched to deal with this situation. Stay tuned to local media outlets as this situation develops.